Hey guys, what's up? So tell me trying to get XCODE on your iOS device. So basically what XCODE is, it basically teaches you how to code. It's really cool software, just like Nemo. And it's for free to download, but if you guys want to buy some extra chapters, it does cost about $7, which is not that bad at all. Basic coding costs a ton of money, so $7 is basically nothing. Alright guys, so Spark actually gave me the link for this one right here. This is actually coding, but it's in Chinese. And when you actually go through the tutorials, it actually is in English. And guys, the other app is this one right here, and this is the same exact one. It's just this one's in English. I want to show you both versions, just in case if you're in a different language or wherever you speak, you could have free download both of them. If you're not English, you guys see download something else and something that's English. This is the one I prefer because I'm English and it's just easier for me to use. But you could use both of them. If you speak English, you can still use the other one. This one's just more easy to use for me. All right, open up the Chinese one or the different language one. You basically have this kind of screen, and on the top right is basically your purchases. So the only thing I like is that it's kind of hard to tell you what you're purchasing because I'm not sure. It's in different currency, so that's the reason I don't like about that one. And they have all of the same like menu, same stuff. So you want to tap on it, and then you can see it's kind of in Chinese right here, but also the XCODE itself is in English. So that's pretty cool about that one. And open the other one, the English one. You can see how it's like really similar because it has the same stuff. But when you go on top here, so yeah, you guys see that I brought mine here. And when you go into it, it's the same exact thing, besides it's in English, and you see it tells you the boxes that are supposed to help you are also in English. So like I said, this one makes it a lot more easier for me to use. So I think it's really, really cool. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Download this, you guys learn coding, because coding you can do so much more possibilities. It opens up a lot more opportunities for you, and you can do so much more. You can make a lot of money off of coding, and a lot of people, like, just when you're a good coder, people like will buy you, give you good money just like for you to code for them and code games. And it's honestly something that's really, really fun to do. It's really aggravating, but it's something once you like start doing it, it's really, really awesome. I've been using this app for a little bit. I was using Nemo off and on, so I know a little about coding, but I definitely want to get more into it. It's just a good skill to know for the future and for just anything, because creating apps and games, like 99% of creating apps and games, you need coding. So that's why I think this is really important. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Just figure one thing out, guys. This is not like teaching you coding. It is teaching you coding, but it's teaching you coding through an app, through XCODE and Swift. So Swift and XCODE are the coding apps. It just teaches you how to code from those apps. So that's want to clarify things there. But you guys, peace.